We follow somebody or the other when it comes to lifestyle, physical health, mental health, career, etc. The same is applicable for writing also, and any skill for that matter. Hi, my name is Biswarupa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You must have gone through a good number of writing works by different authors. But the question is, did you like all the authors' work in the same way? No, we do not. Only to some of them we get connected with more, because maybe, and the reason varies from person to person, and what we do with them, if it is a virtual one or if it is a soft copy or online document that we go through, then we go ahead, we go through that work once again, we save them, we reread them, and that is not all. We also make note of how the structure is, how the author has mentioned the real life experience, the personal anecdotes, etc. So what we do or what we get out of that when we go through the work again and again, because it makes us feel like as if it is connected with us even more. If you ask me why do I do that, because I feel uh, the piece of writing is more genuine, it is simple, clear, and it also makes me feel as a part of that writing. I feel like as if it is written just for me. It gets all the problems or whatever instances that I would be going through. Maybe most of them would be getting unfolded one by one, and that makes me to feel as a part of that very piece of writing that I go through. And that is the sole reason why I feel more close, I feel more connected with that piece of writing. Similarly, find out what is your goal of writing, and which piece of writing or which all pieces of writing are getting you are connecting with more, and save them, go back, reread them, and make note of them, what all are the factors that are making you feel in that way, and try doing with them, or try doing the same activity again and again till you will be able to figure out what you, it is not about what you liked in your favorite authors or favorite writers work, also you will subconsciously try to inculcate the same into your piece of writing as well, because we have started following the our favorite authors or our favorite works, and we will try to imitate them in our works too, and that is how it goes, and subsequently it becomes a part of our work also, our very own existence even. So go that way, and try to collect and collect the pieces of writing that you feel more connected with, that you feel good about while reading, and that feel more of your that make you feel a part of that writing, and see how you can also replicate the similar kind of things into your writing, and you will be quite on your way uh, to follow or consider somebody as a guide in your writing journey, and also it will slowly you will feel that difference in your writing work as well. So that was about it in for today's video. We will see you very soon, and meanwhile you can mention what else do you want me to come up with, and till then, bye bye and see you.